Hi everyone, it's Tammy, and I just got a beautiful card in the mail, and I just wanted to share and say thank you so much, Ellen. This means the world to me. It was so sweet. And it says, just a note, it isn't much. Hope it helps keep us in touch. And she wrote a sweet note that says, it was great to finally get to meet you. You are exactly who I thought you would be. Sincerely, Ellen. And oh my gosh, that means the world to me. Thank you so very much. I met her at my planner meetup last Saturday, and it was just so great. And how kind. My goodness, you guys are amazing. And look what she included in there. Oh my gosh. These dogs are like bully dogs. And I actually have some of these stickers, but not this set. These are like little puffy ones with glittery glasses. So cute. So stinking cute. And then a whole set of llama stickers. Oh my goodness. I love that one. And this one. And this one. And this one. And I just love them all. Well, thank you so very much. I had such a great time, and I can't wait to meet up with you again. Yay. Thanks so much for all of your kindness. What a sweetheart. Bye.